who are actually protecting our basic. How can we do it? By small things like that. First toothpaste ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, it's very easy to say, but not easy to practice. Because when you do it, your kid will say, 2 days they'll cry, 3rd day they'll find ways to bring toothpaste into the house. It's a long fight, it's a long battle. Your wives or your husbands, if they're washing utensils, they're used to whatever Wimpril, whatever. ನೀವು ಡಿಶ್ ವಾಶ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗೋಮಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾಗ ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಡ ನೀನು. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಶಾಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. It's a fight. Then we need to give that feedback to the product maker. Sir, ಈ ತರ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Second month it will be better. ಹಾಗೆ soap, the kind of things, it is all going to our soil, it is all going to our water bodies, it is all going to our the same thing. So then what are we talking about our environment? HE, right? And what are we eating? Big basket, yaar hogtare. I know my half of my body is like, I need to walk, but yaar hogtare. Right? Swiggy ide 10 minutes bandbidutte. Right? You procure those from the farmers who are doing natural farming. Right? Procure that from the farmers who are doing cow-based farming. Give them a reason to continue. We did a survey in Tamil Nadu. The average age of farmer is 48 years. There is no next generation of farmers. All children, all kids of those farmers, they are choosing to be a lady styler, electrician, welder in the welding shop, because his income is guaranteed. 10,000 ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಆಗಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರಾಟನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. So we need to change our lifestyle. So when we practice and when we spread this in our house, in our communities, in our families, in our relations, this is actual Goseva. Right? I mean, like, these are our gods actually. Gomati, soil, water, air. So we need to take care of it.